menpendap ia kata kebasak.
The 5th Meghalaya Farmers' Day was observed in Nongstoin with MLA Gabriel Walang urging government support for farmers. The event recognized outstanding farmers and emphasized the need to prioritize agriculture for the state's growth. Awards were given including to a 110-year-old farmer. Hill Farmers Union President Commander Shangpliang emphasized the crucial role of farmers in society, stating that food is the essential element of life. He urged the state government to prioritize agriculture alongside other sectors for the overall growth and development of the state.
Kinwan sisir udon bopsar, sawal salasai bopsar udon, sespang ugaldi udon, sauta udon, ngasur par bopsar udon langani. Kinora nalor kita itu bon napai kita kinom balas susu. Karena ya kita kiba kemba haka society itu kiba kampuna kinora. Ya kita kiba kampuna, ya kita ini nak mendengar nasoba kamle kiba bah, bah nasoba boleh untuk bicara ini. Lada nilai kita orang makam. Bakajuk mafiru. Kinora dari ofisar kita era itu penunggang hok nawar risolok itu kita kibriu kan ngamasi bersih berkeram bagi sebuah ini jenjang.
In observance of the